I think we can start. Let's
Mm-hmm.
give it another minute, maybe. What do you think? And then we can start then.
Yep. Sounds good. Let's get to
Sounds good.
30. One more.
Andre is also here in the chat.
Hello, crypto memes.
Here for the rumble. Hey, crypto memes.
Yes, Andre only comes to get the legendary.
We're here for the rumbles. We're here for the rumbles. I mean, it's a good way to start a call, right? I mean, it needs a bit of something. So, yeah.
All right,
Maybe
we got 30.
let's give it let's start. And yes, Andre is right. We usually start with the rumble. So maybe you can do the honors, Dan, and we can start our rumble for this week's
Yes.
community call. We're gonna have a rare one to
That's
start
me.
things off. Dan is going to be sharing it as usual in the chat. All you have to do is go and
Rumble.
hit the swords. I think it's swords, right? It's still swords.
Normal.
Changed.
Correct. Countdown. Let's see. 2 minutes.
And then we're good to go.
And let's go.
And here we go.
By the way, I think someone from our mods, I think was it I Teach IT. I think he not figured out a way. He had an issue. He wasn't able to see it, and I think it's something in the settings with like allow applications or something. So some of you are not able to see it. You need to check your settings, because apparently on mobile it also works. So everyone should be able to see it.
Check it. So
okay,
nice. Started. You can see it. I can see almost everyone has joined.
First time, everyone.
Yeah, we're here for the rumble, Dan.
Someone else has joined.
We're here for the rumble. The rest is icing on the cake. I mean, but yeah.
32, 33, let's go.
But we've had a good week. Also, weather has helped here in Switzerland. We're enjoying a week of nice weather. So for a change, a lot of the conversation that's happening, I mean, Andre, myself, and Cedric every now and then say, hey, look, I'm going to go out for an hour or two, go for a run or go do something, touch some grass, as they say. So we're really enjoying that, also taking advantage of it a bit.
Who needs grass when you got Discord?
Really big crypto. Weather is still that. Where are you? Where are you located? And it's still that bad.
Still awful.
I'm just doing small talk. I'm just doing to distract everyone from the rumble. Eastern Canada. Well, I mean, yeah. It's gonna be cold, right? Does it get warm?
Yeah, I don't think it's Eastern Canada. It's freezing where I am.
It's freezing.
Scarlett, where are you at?
June, September
is good.
Okay, so it's like summertime. How much time do we have for the rumble? 30
15
seconds. 15 seconds to go. Let's go. Whoever hasn't joined.
South Africa. South Africa, and the weather right now is bad for you? It's freezing. It's interesting.
Here we go. 40 participants. Fabio.
Okay.
Let's see how it's going.
I dosed the crypto meal with a slow acting poison. It had to be slow. I'm sorry, the crypto.
Andre is out. Slayed by poison. Oh no. Let's go. Scarlet is going. Who took me out for what? 24 daggers. That's a bit of an overkill. I mean, come on. Trick is doing well. He received water supply. The fans love them. Hey, Trick, Patrick.
A lot of poison action.
Resurrection. Here we go. Come on. Previous winners get resurrected. Come on, Dan, let's go.
Oh wow, I'm really sorry, hopeful.
Hopeful.
I'm so sorry.
Hopeful.
Pretty brutal.
That's it. Come join the resurrection line here with me.
That's it.
There we go. Asronimus took revenge for Hopeful. Dan is out.
Who got me? Asra.
11 left. Naruto pushing. Astronomus pushing.
Naruto smelling some
Astronomus
flowers.
died of laughter. Come on. It's not. It's a bit too much. 8 left. You hate flowers, Naruto. Let's see. 2 minutes. Crypto Katya. Deep Logic still in. Oh yeah. 6 left.
Took a corpse. Okay,
That's
I think
quite an
Naruto
elaborate thing
is.
from Naruto.
I
Makeshift.
think Naruto is plotting. Naruto is plotting at something.
Oh no. There we go. Oh my god, luck. Just took out. Everyone went on a spree.
Black touch. Going into a dagger.
Killtacular.
Accidentally. Accidentally.
Accidentally.
Players left.
There
Okay.
we go.
Crypto memes.
Hey, nice.
Congrats.
Congratulations.
Let me
Congratulations.
transfer now.
Congratulations. So there we go. First rumble of the day is done. So we can give you a short update and we can show you a new pet today.
Pet number 6.
More, but it's pet number 6. Name still unknown or still not shareable, but pretty awesome as you can see. We're very happy that actually Patrick, I think, is also today here. So one more pet, one more reveal. Other than that, what I can tell you is going on in the background is actually pretty exciting. At the same time, Theo with Patrick and now with help with Andre are making sure that let's say the UI part and also all of the graphics and the different awesome characters and parts and different elements that Patrick is creating are getting into sort of the final version. At the same time, Cedric, along with Didac and Eric, are pretty much, I would say, finished with, let's say, the blockchain integration or the backend. And currently they're doing a lot of stress testing. 2 types of testing, obviously, to see if everything is working as it's supposed to be working. And the second part, the balancing, which is where Cedric is having, I think it's his most fun now. We're really excited to play, both the team internally and to share it with you. We'll have more to share. Probably, I think next week we'll be able to share a bit more. On the missions, what I can share with you, sort of a short update. Maybe I can show you actually couple of. So we had a demo with Animoca, but I can show you maybe this sort of slide here and give you a bit of an impression of what we are creating. So as you know, the missions are going to be taking your legendaries from both season 1, season 2, and obviously season later on to the missions as we have described within the Ajuna Network and hopefully also within the Polkadot ecosystem with a couple of fun ideas that we're cooking up. So yeah, currently we're working on from things like the background, the UI, how we're going to make sure that not only sort of the narrative part, but also making sure that we can create those right fun elements. How can I take, let's say, my Awesome Ajuna avatar, maybe I can pair it with a pet and go on a special mission. So a lot of mix and matching. So a few fun things that we will be able to share down the line. We expect, I think that we're going to be launching the the missions right after the end of season 2 of the Awesome Ajuna Avatars. I think that's where it makes the most sense for us. But yeah, pretty excited the way that they're working out. And I'm sure, Dan, maybe in another community call, what we'll do is we'll get also Theo here, and maybe he can give us an insight a bit on, what he's working on and things like that. So, yeah.
I think maybe even like a small preview.
Yeah, maybe he can show something. Not too much, but
not too
it
much,
would be fun to
but run.
I think it would be pretty fun for the community to also hear sort of his perspective of how everything comes together, right? Because at the end of the day,
Definitely.
the trick is to show an end product. Fantasy Basel was last weekend. We talk a lot. I think in this Web3 space that we are, hey, touch grass, go outside. I think for the gaming community, this is the equivalent of touching grass. If anybody wants to understand why we are so passionate about what it is that we're doing, or actually more importantly, who are we actually building for, go to one of these events. Right, Fantasy Basel is running as it says the Swiss, let's say, Comic Con. So it's a local event right here in Basel. Basel is a city of 200,000 people, and yeah, it was absolutely nuts, crazy. People going in, dressing up. These are not professionals, right? These stormtroopers that you see here in this photo, lining up to have a snack, were right just dudes. Nobody told them, nobody paid them, but yeah, that's how it looks. So it's a lot of fun. It's fun interacting with them. Got to show them a few stuff that we're also building. Found a squad, as you can see, for Call of Duty. Found a car that's, yeah, a Pokemon car, real life Pokemon car. So that was a lot of fun. Make sure that if you see events like this in your area, go have a look. Right, even if you're not so much into gaming, it's a spectacle. It's quite fun.
Did you get 360 no scope by
I
Ghost?
didn't get no tricks. No, I was just literally just running after my kids, trying to make sure they wouldn't, I don't know, either wander off or try and buy everything that they found in front of them.
They were probably no scoping everyone.
Yeah. So yes, I think next time the idea is that I need to take my wife when I go, so I can be the one running around trying to buy stuff. But that's my lesson for next time. On to the next thing, Animoca Brand's demo day. So that was super interesting. We will see what we can share with you next time, but maybe just to give you an explanation of what this is. Animoca Brand runs every now and then, monthly I think, or bi-monthly, a demo day for their portfolio companies, where they invite each time a few, where the opportunity is that we can sort of share what it is that we're working on, whether that's on a specific product or generally sort of how we're progressing. So this month we were invited along with MetaMask, Blockade Games, Fractal, and 99 Stars, sort of to demo what it is that we're doing. As you may have seen sort of briefly in the slides, before this is sort of what we showed. I managed to do a really nice demo of our Awesome Ajuna Avatars and show them what it is that we're doing, how we are really using the Awesome Ajuna Avatars as a way to build out sort of strong communities based on engagement. So that was a very, very, very good experience for us, being able to be in the same room with and see what of the other teams like Fractal and Blockade Games are doing was quite interesting. So very happy about that. We'll see what we can share with you. Hopefully we can share that 10-minute demo that we did. We just need to make sure that we do it in the proper way. And maybe I can share it next week, or maybe we can put it on our YouTube video later down the line. But yeah, as you can see, was quite a lot of fun. Again, an internal thing. But yeah, always getting to demo season 1 again was a lot of fun. Obviously, this is on, let's say, on the testnet, so it's not a live, let's say, demo of the game per se. But yeah, it was a lot of fun playing again, and sort of I got the itch again to start playing for season 2. So yeah, that was the Animoca demo day this week. Was a lot of fun, and yeah, I think they've been really good as supporting us whenever we need to get, maybe that's a bit of visibility, and hopefully, who knows, maybe we can start talking a bit with Fractal and Blockade Games, because they're also doing some pretty fun stuff. Polka Defiance. So this is an event that we are also participating later on today. This event was, I think, initially conceived by the team from Equilibrium, with quite a focus on sort of different DeFi projects going on within the Polkadot ecosystem. It currently has morphed into something quite bigger. So shout out to the team from Talisman and Agile, who essentially took the reins to organize this event. It's already started, and we are going to be on in a panel a bit before 7 p.m. CET, so that's in about 2.5 hours, with the team from Everloot, which we're always very excited to be chatting with. And we're going to focus, I think, that discussion, if we can, we'll go a bit deeper, talk about game economies and sort of how this space, or everything that we're building within this ecosystem, can really sort of create some new interesting narratives around both game design, game economies, and community-led gaming. So we'll share later on, I think, or Dan will be able to share in the chat some links for that. But yeah,
Just the crowdcast. It's already running, I think.
yeah. After our call, after the legendary Rumble, yeah, I encourage everyone to go and support sort of that effort that's being done. A lot of interesting talks going on at the event from different teams in the ecosystem. Should be a lot of fun. So yeah, and I think, Dan, we can move on to the quests, right?
Correct. Yeah, I mean, quick update. Quest number 6, they have been distributed, the free mint rewards. And quest number 7 will be up tomorrow. Discuss with Cedric. I think it's looking good. Yeah, the article is ready. Just waiting for Cedric to do his magic with the bot, and then we will share it tomorrow at some point. And yeah, once again, it's only for OGs. You enter the OG quest channel and then just type in /OG quest, and then you automatically participate.
Very nice. And then we can go on to, I think, the weekly quest number 7, where, Dan, do we have them ready?
That's what I meant. That's for tomorrow.
Ah,
so
sorry,
quest 6 are over. They have been distributed exactly, and quest 7 are up tomorrow.
Next topic, reminder, right? For the referral, maybe Dan, you can share a bit more information here.
Correct. I think a couple of you have already started and know about this. I know Liliana, I'm not sure if she's, or he, I'm actually not sure, in the call right now, but also got promoted today to ambassador. So congrats to that. And also been sending out a lot of, or bringing a lot of new members. And the way it works is that if you bring a new member and that member has to message us for the mini OG onboarding, and to message your Discord name as well or mention it, then the person who invited the new member as well as the new member get an additional 10 value each. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So feel free to invite any new people. The onboarding is the same as it was for everyone. And yeah.
Very nice.
That.
Which nicely, quite fast and efficiently, at least I would say for this week, it gets us to the legendary Royal Rumble. And again, we really are trying to keep it short this week because we want to give a shout out to the Polka Defiance and everybody involved who are running the crowdcast, and we do really encourage you to go join. We're also going to be there, but first the legendary Royal Rumble. Dan, did we miss anything else? Right.
BGA you wanted to mention?
You're right.
For next week.
You are right. So next week, that's actually pretty, we're very happy about that. So the BGA is the Blockchain Game Alliance. It's been an organization that was set up, I think, back in 2017, somewhere there, where, again, its initial sort of drive as a non-profit was to be able to create a hub or a community to sort of support gaming in Web3, or what is now called sort of Web3 gaming. So we're they're going to be, Ajuna Network is a member of the Blockchain Game Alliance, and me, myself, have been there for many years actually as a member. So we're going to have them next week on our community call, and they can sort of let us know what they're doing, generally sort of their role in the ecosystem and how they're helping, whether that's projects like us or from any other ecosystem. It's agnostic, pushing Web3 gaming forward. So yeah, very excited about that. We'll have them next week. We'll share more information as we during the week. So let's. Am I in?
Yeah, a lot of messages. I'm trying to link it again in case people have missed it. I think not everyone.
Let me see. I'll also start answering a few of the messages here. Let's see what's going on.
Yes, there was a question from Man on the Moon, which kind of was answered, but I wasn't 100% sure about it. I think. No, all the way, all the way. It was all the way up
No, I see a lot
about
of
the
people.
probabilities.
I see just a lot of people trash talking about the Royal Rumble, which is great. I like it. Deep logic.
Smack.
Cats.
Okay. What's happening here? Killed by puppy. Get good.
Here we go. Are we starting? Are we starting?
Get revived. Oh, there's revivals also within the rounds.
Yes,
Let's
of
see
course there
there.
are. Nick found a lake and decided, what did I do?
Went fishing for
Deep,
food.
bro. That's kind of barbaric,
Got
you know.
snapped
Snap my neck while sleeping.
while you were sleeping.
Come on. Ay, ay, ay. I'm sponsoring Andre's dagger
That
since my
100.
neck got snapped.
Yeah.
Go get them, Andre.
Oh, Trails is here. Hello.
Hello, hello. Who do we have? Hopeful is getting his revenge and is on a slaying spree. Be crypto the
Sneaked
same.
up. Nice.
Let's go. Milan.
Ah, by puppy. Hopeful. What are you doing? Died of laughter. Okay. I mean, could be worse. Personally, thanks. Oh, resurrection. Hopeful, you're back. See?
Hey, hope you see. You're back.
The
Hopeful is
curse
back.
has been lifted. Oh wow! Now Hopeful is on a revenge
Dan.
spree.
Dan, you left us.
What's happening with me? Oh yeah,
Dan is
Buildy.
out. YMC got dagger.
So a nice meal.
There we go.
Backstab. Okay.
Andre's keeping it
Second animal.
live for the team. Keeping the
Track
hopes
the
up.
skull. Alexei fell from a high place. Yeah, gotta be careful with those high places. Okay. Hopeful is going hard. 2 minutes. The dagger.
I usually, one of my most enjoyable times is just to usually read. Here we go. So, Syphilis had a calm day wandering through forest, unaware that they were being followed. Let's see how that ends. Syphilis, you destroy every time, right? That I have to.
I'm not sure if syphilis is being followed or if syphilis is following.
Hopeful NFTs shanked Syphilis multiple times in the chest with a dagger. That sounds, again, all sound wrong. Let's go, Hopeful. Fabio! He needs resurrection. Oh, yeah. 6 players left. Dotty's pushing. Syphilis never died.
Syphilis never dies.
Be crypto, you're right. I mean, always just. Yeah. Let's go. No, Andre! Squire took you out.
I feel like Hopeful is gonna make it.
Come on, Hopeful, let's go. Who's left? Squire, Hopeful, Katya, 2. No,
Hopeful, okay.
Katya.
I think it's Hopeful and Katya, no?
No,
There's
Hopeful is
left.
out. He got stabbed. No.
Oh. No. Oh, yeah, true. Katya!
Hey. Congrats, Katya.
Congrats.
Hey, that was fun.
Address.
That was fun.
Very nice.
So yeah, I think we'll keep it nice and short this week. Once again, thanks everyone for joining. Reminder: go join the Polka Defiance Crowdcast. We're also going to be on later today. Enjoy the rest of your week, and we'll catch up with everyone in our next one, with our guest from the Blockchain Game Alliance.
Super nice, by the way. I just realized I thought Katya was already has already a role, but she or he doesn't actually.
Hey,
so you'll get the legendary and you'll get your OG straight away.
Wow.
So congrats. I'll message you now.
Wow. Very nice.
Congrats.
Is there anything else, Dan, that we have to
I think that's it. Check events again for the crowdcast from Polka
Yep.
Defines, with Equilibrium and everyone else. Yeah, our slot is at,
In a couple
what
of
is it?
hours, 2.5 hours, 6:50 I think it is.
6:50, yeah. 6:50
CET.
CT, yeah.
So yeah, thanks everybody for joining. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon and your weekend, and we'll catch up with all of you from next week. And so yeah, see you in chat.